In this video we will show you how to install the SH brake lever blade by OAK Components compatible with Shimano brakes. The video demonstrates the installation for the following models: XTR, XT, Saint, SLX, Deore, Z. The following tools are needed for the installation: 1.5mm Allen key included, 2mm Allen key, 4mm Allen key. For Saint brakes, a punch or drill with a diameter between 6.5mm and 6.9mm. Pliers are optional, a safety pin which is also included, the installation tool from the lever's packaging, a cloth, rubbing alcohol. Additionally, we recommend a plastic container to catch small parts. Loosen the lever clamp on the handlebar using the 4mm Allen key and rotate it to a vertical starting position. Tighten the clamp hand tight. Now place the plastic container beneath the brake lever to catch any falling small parts. Using the safety pin, remove the rubber cover from the actuator of the original lever. Now loosen the grub screw in the actuator with the 2mm Allen key. Now you can push out the pin from the bottom of the brake lever. Set aside the pin, standard lever and standard spring. This step is not required for the brake models XT, SLX, Deore and Z. For those models, you can skip ahead to installing the SH brake lever. Press the standard bushing out of the brake lever body using a suitable object. For the XTR brake, the installed pin can be used. For the Saint brake, a punch or drill in a cloth with the diameter from 6.5mm to 6.9mm can be used. The bushings have the following outer diameters: XTR 6mm, Saint 7mm. Now press the appropriate bushing into the brake lever body. Carefully place the bushing from the inside of the brake lever body and, if necessary, guide it with a pin to align it coaxially. When installing the second bushing, the pin can be guided over the already installed bushing. Use pliers to press the bushings firmly into their defined end position. Clean the brake lever housing with alcohol. Then apply the protective sticker to the spot where the adjustment screw makes contact. Place the return spring on the actuator as shown. Now insert the brake lever and actuator with the spring into the assembly aid. Hold the lever and assembly aid together to keep the assembly intact and place the edge of the return spring onto the push rod of the brake lever body. Ensure that the spring is correctly aligned and align the brake lever, actuator and brake lever body coaxially. Now push the pin down through the entire assembly. Remove the assembly aid and adjust the lever as far away from the handlebar as possible. Secure the assembly by tightening the grub screw in the actuator with the 1.5mm Allen key until you feel a firm stop on the pin. Loose the handlebar clamp with the 4mm Allen key and adjust the brake lever body on the handlebar to your preferred position. If the clamp screw is worn, apply a little thread locker to the clamp screw during installation. Tighten the clamp so that the brake lever body is secure in the handlebar but can still rotate in the event of a crash. This will protect both brake lever body and the lever itself from damage. The grub screw holding the spring sleeve in position must always be flush with the brake lever. If it is screwed in too far, the adjustment screw may become stiff or jam. It is necessary to re-grease the adjustment screw at regular intervals. Unscrew the grub screw from the brake lever and remove the spring sleeve. Unscrew the set screw from the lever and clean it. Now apply a small amount of grease to the set screw and screw it back into the lever. Reinsert the spring sleeve and screw in the grub screw until it is flush. If the thread locker has worn off, apply a little light or medium thread locker. Check the function of the latch mechanism and the proper fit of the grub screw. Finally, check the function of the entire brake system. As the brake system is a safety critical component, the procedure should only be carried out by trained personnel in professional workshops. Oak wishes you lots of fun on the trails with your new SH brake levers. Ride on!